Hello, I am Moises Sosa. This video is for my advanced CSS class. In this video, we are going to learn how to make fonts for or shapes with HTML and CSS. It's very interesting. Let's first understand a little how this works. Here we have this element of HTML as red as the background color and 100 pixels in white and height. Just like that is a square. Now, if we want to make a triangle, that we do. We can play with the border properties. Let's see what happens if we add a property border button. Here, border button back solid 100 pixels. This creates another square for me. That is not actually another square, but the bottom border that is now 100 pixels. This is a border button. This goes through the CSS box model. Remember, what determines the total size of an object is the sum of its width plus the border plus the margin. Look how interesting it happens if we set the border left and right color to black too. Okay. One moment, please. Everything normal, right? The border button, the left and right border. The border left and right 20 pixels and solid. What is I set the color border to transparent. Transparent. Oh, we see that the border goes from the bottom in corner to the the border goes from the bottom corner of the bottom border to the top corner of the top border. Okay, let's change the another one too. Transparent, copy, page. Okay, we got a trapeze in black. Okay, and now for the magic. Let's say the height to 0. Here, height to 0. Better, right? Now let's remove the background color. Remove the background color. Now we have a trapezoid. Okay, but we want a triangle, right? If we eliminate the which, we have a triangle. But it's not eliminate, it's set the y to 0 pixels. Right? Here our triangle. If we put and if we pop the border top to the black solid 100 pixel too. Okay, one moment. We refer to inverted triangles. If we set the height to 10 pixels, for example, the triangles are more separate, but in 0, we have the inverted triangle, okay? Or we have the hourglass too. I hope you like it and help it for you and for me too. Thank you so much.